Hey guys, so this is the gear infusion product, which is EverRatchet clip. I've been looking for this for a long time and now finally I have it. Let's see what's inside here. So there you go. This is awesome. This is what the line of products they have. Okay, the one I ordered is not here. You can see all this. Okay, apart from that, let's go to the main item. Yay! So this is it, EverRatchet clip. Keep cranking with the built-in ratchet driver. Ratchet driver, box opener, bottle opener, pocket clip. Grade 5 titanium. Come in. Just so scared to tear the yeah, there you go. Wow, this is really amazing. It's lighter than I imagined. So there are two types of EverRatchet clip. So what this has is clip. The difference between this one, the older version, is a clip. This is the older version, and this is the newer version. So the only thing there is difference is only the clip. So this one has a clip, this one doesn't have a clip, and the bit was been holded with two rubber band. This one, it just holds itself and it's nice and snug. It doesn't go anywhere to put it back. There you go. It's actually, it snaps. There. It snaps good. There's no play. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so let's see the ratcheting function. Wow. 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 It is really good. Wow. Keep cranking with built-in ratchet driver, titanium pocket clip in two places to attach your keys. And this is the explanation. You can pause and check what it gives you. Let's say this is your trouser. This is my 511, brand new. I haven't even used it yet. By the way, I love 511 trousers because they have nice pockets, extra pockets. I'll do another review of this one maybe someday. Okay, so this is your clip. You want to put it in your pants. You might put it this way, which I guess works. Does it? Yep. Wow. This is really good. So there's no way this is going anywhere. I'm even thinking it's hard for me even to take it out. Yep. Whoa. Wow. Or you can just put it on your belt clip. That's how easy it is. So you can put it there, or put it somewhere there's a pocket. Where I can put it like here maybe. This. And then put your keys here so they drop in your pocket. Or you can carry it in front pocket like that. Put it here and put it in your pocket. Keys are in your pocket. So whatever you like. It's really awesome. I like it. It has many functions. One of them, let's go one by one. Metric ruler. So I can see there's a ruler here. It's clear. There's a little ruler here. That's fine. Wire stripper. I don't know how that works. Let's try. Whoa. Okay. Put it here. Let's try it this way. Put it here. Press. And oh, maybe that's how. Not bad. You can pry stuff with this one, like staples or anything. So it's a good pry tool. I can see that already. Which also uses to take the sticker out or something. Yeah, it does a pretty good job. See. I can see that. Very useful. Yeah, there you go. Also, you can use this to cut the packages, like I just cut the one out. So let's say this is your package. Wow. It's cutting good. It's not bad. Okay, let's do the main thing this thing does. And that is this one. So now, I think in a pinch you don't have anything, this will be awesome, but to use it as your sole tool, the only tool you have, I don't think that's very practical. But yeah, I will see myself using this everywhere because it's a nice gadget. Come on. Whoa. This is amazing. Can you see that? Let's zoom that in. Try to focus on that. Let me zoom in so you can see what's happening. This is really amazing. It's very hard to show you on the camera, that's why I keep using the focus. Wow, that's really fun to use. Trust me, this is fun. let's bag it out. Wow, okay. Not only this goes in, this comes down and locks itself. So let me look for the size. I think this is the right one. Okay, utilize this one to tighten or loosen. Right? Let's see how this does. Yeah. And if I hold it, this is amazing. Like, what tool you have seen this small can do ratchet, can do all these things this can do. Has a pocket clip. Man, I'm telling you, this is what I think. It's a cool gadget. You can just keep it with you, like maybe to show your friend, like to have that wow effect, something like that. So yeah, what else I seen them doing with this? I seen them opening a pop can, which is soda cans. They just open with this and pry with this, and what else? So many things you can do with it. Yeah, this is a bottle opener too. There's a bottle opener here. So yeah, I heard that there's a flint which is a same size like this bit they give you along with this. Sometimes you can just carry flint instead of this bit, but I wouldn't. Anyways, I would carry my bit. Not this one. I guess I'll try to carry the double-sided bit. I'll see which one will fit here, which has maybe both Phillips or one side Phillips and one side flathead, maybe. So they do even mention this as a flathead, and that side is a box opener, which yeah, I tried, does work. And also this is a 1/4 inch X driver. So it has total of 3 1/4 inch X drivers. There's the first one, second one, there's the third one here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is not 1/4 inch though. I think this is 3/4. So yeah, it does, I think here somewhere. Yeah, this all is 1/4 inch. So you can use that one, I guess. It works. Also, I think here too, if I'm not mistaken. No, this doesn't work. Nope, this doesn't. So I'll show you the Chinese one I have. Okay, so this is the Chinese one I got. Let me get rid of this all here. So you can see this looks similar to their first design. So anyways, for this I thought I'm buying almost the EverRatchet, because come on, like everything you see in EverRatchet, this thing has it. Like, it looks almost the same. Trust me, this is way heavier than this one I got. But they tried to put everything which looks alike. It's way bigger. You can see here. It's heavier, bigger. I don't know, like, this is useless. I won't carry this. At least I can carry another thing. So you can use this kind of adapter in case you want to press on something. Like, I couldn't press on this one, so I can use this adapter. So this will give me pressing point. Even with this one, the same tightening up. Okay. See? So I can use pressure now because this is a lock here. It doesn't go further, so it's good. So let's say they showed us you can cut your zip tie. I think it was about cutting or something. So how they did it, okay. So you take this one, the bottle opener, put on top of zip tie, and just twist the zip tie. Maybe that's what they meant. It's a bit hard. I don't know. I can use here. Just pulling what we did, but something they did here. Cutting this piece here. Nope, I give up. So that didn't work. Hard even to get there. That's why I like Leatherman. That is that. So this is our ratchet, and this is our bit, and that's how it ratchets. This is another test that I've seen on the website. Okay, let's see view. I destroyed it. Looks good. I hope this has been helpful for those who wants to buy EverRatchet, and I'm looking forward for your comments, and please subscribe. It helps a lot. And I don't know about sharing. Do people even share videos? I don't know, but yeah, sure, if you can share it so I get popular and get more subscriptions. Thank you guys, and hope you have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.